Hello and welcome. My name is Mark Blatstein, the physician founder of Physician Presentence Report Service. Today, we're going to discuss how do you figure out if the FBI has an interest in who you are. You're going to know because people are going to, friends of yours, colleagues, are going to come up to you and say that others have been asking questions about you. And, or, there have been, you may have had a visit to your home, but you may have had rumors. But by this point in time, if you hear these unusual conversations or rumors going on in the background, then their case against you is mostly complete and they have a very high 98% conviction rate. And so what are the actual formal forms that you could know? Well, you could get a target letter. Target letter could be a nice letter you get where it invites you to come to a grand jury, possibly. You could get a knock at your front door or your place of employment where they want to talk to you, in which case, please be very polite, ask for a business card, and you'll get back to them. You may, as I said, hear rumors from colleagues, staff, family, friends, or other business associates. And after that, you may feel safe because it could take days, weeks, months could pass and nothing happens. But, you know, you'd like this to be the case, but nothing could be further from the truth because the Department of Justice is very deliberate about having an abundance of information to charge you with before they actually commit to the raid upon your home, office, or as it was with me, both at the same time. It was about 20 years ago, and it did happen to me. I was convicted, but I was able to get my medical license reinstated. And so it's important to hire a legal team that just doesn't have experience, but has a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. And plus, you have to, you need to feel comfortable with them because this is going to be a marriage. And, but it's more important than a marriage because in a marriage, if it goes bad, you can get divorced. Here, to change attorneys mid stride is very, very difficult. And so going to trial is okay. This is a strategic decision that you make with your attorney. But if you know that you're guilty, even to a very, very small, minimal amount, don't let your lawyers be the last to know. They don't want to be the last person in the room at trial to be surprised. Let them know everything ahead of time. I thank you very much for taking the time to listen, and I hope you stay safe. My contact information is available here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and give me a ring. Thank you again for taking the time to listen.